Do you want to know how you can turn off Speechify on your PC or your browser? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn off Speechify on your browser or your PC. First of all, open any browser, and if you are on the Speechify app, even if you click on this, it will not work. So go ahead and open any other site except Speechify's and click on the extension option over here. Once you click it, hover around the sidebar or toolbar and click on the cross icon which is over here. Then you can see the option of turn off or turn off everywhere. If you click turn off, Speechify will be turned off for this particular site, which is Google, or else if you want to turn it off in all of the site, go ahead and click on it and Speechify will be turned off. You can also remove the extension by clicking on the extension bar, click on the three dots and click on remove from your browser. This way you can completely remove it from your extension bar as well. So guys, this is how you turn off Speechify on your PC or your browser. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.